Hey there, Lacey here, the Sweet Pea Chef. The truth is, it can be kind of easy to pack on a few pounds and start to lose track of your healthy eating. It could be weekend weight or weight from a little bit too many cheat meals recently. That's why today I wanted to share with you some of my go-to recipes and my healthy tricks for how to get back on track quickly when I haven't been making the best choices. So basically, I'm gonna be showing you my healthy eating reset. So let's get started. First off is getting back to my protein shakes. If you watched my video on 5 easy protein shakes for weight loss, you know that I love protein shakes. I love adding them into my daily routine because they give you a ton of protein, healthy fats and carbs, and they're just so easy to make. And I have so many of them that only require 5 ingredients or less. So it's a big no-brainer when I'm trying to get back into my healthy lifestyle. Personally, my favorite protein shake right now is my PB&J protein shake. I absolutely love it. I cannot get enough of it, which is a good thing when you're trying to get back into your healthy lifestyle. You want to have foods that you crave, that you're really excited to eat and that make you feel good. So you can make protein shakes as you need them. They only take a few minutes to make, or you can make them all ahead of time and then just store them in the freezer, and then you are good to go. You have an easy to grab snack that you don't have to think about. It's healthy, it will make you feel good, and will make you eat healthier. If you're looking for recipe inspiration for protein shakes, I have an entire playlist dedicated just to protein shakes, so you should check that one out. Because getting back into your healthy lifestyle requires a few little baby steps. You can't just go 0 to 60. I add in those protein shakes, and then once I have that going pretty comfortably, then I start to add in easy meals that do not take a lot of time to prep. Because I want to be successful at this, so I don't want to spend a ton of time doing it, because I know I won't do it if I'm not motivated. So wraps are amazing, sandwiches are amazing. I make a chicken and hummus Greek wrap. I have a go-to tuna salad wrap that I just mix some high protein tuna with some avocado and have that as the base for my tuna salad. And of course, I can always rely on a tasty yogurt bowl with some full-fat Greek yogurt and some natural peanut butter. This is a really good one if I'm craving some sweets, because then I can add in just a touch of raw honey or some fresh bananas or something like that, so I can have a little bit of sweetness as well. So again, notice that I'm not doing my full-on meal prepping here. I am basically just trying to get by, adding in those healthy foods, trying to get my body back into the groove of things. And then once we can get into the meal prepping piece, I can spend more time and more energy on that. I'm looking for quick wins at this point. Then when I graduate up to meal prepping and I feel like I'm ready to spend that time ahead to make my meals, I still don't want to go super crazy. I want to choose some easy to prep meals that I can store in the fridge that are super tasty, so I know I'm going to want to eat them. The last thing I want to do is spend a ton of time on foods that don't really sound that good, and it won't help me successfully get back on track. One of my favorite meal prep go-tos is my cilantro lime chicken with some roasted sweet potatoes and sauteed broccoli. It's so easy and so healthy and so delicious too, so it's a really good combination of all of that. I also love my pan roasted salmon with some rice and some green beans. That recipe is so easy to make as well and very flavorful, so I know if I have both of those in the fridge ready to grab, I'm gonna be successful. Also, during this time frame, I'm not really tracking my macros at this point. I'm really just trying to eat healthy and get those healthy foods back into my daily routine. I'm also not restricting calories. I'm just focusing on every food I choose. Is it a clean eating food? Is it gonna help me continue with my progress, or is it gonna take me backwards? If it's gonna take me backwards, I try to remove it and I try to just focus on getting back on track. I also add in a ton of water at this point, because typically when I'm on vacation, or if I'm having cheat meals, or if I'm just enjoying the holidays and not really focusing on my healthy eating, I'm not drinking the amount of water that I should be. So I want to be targeting having half of my weight in ounces in a day, and any water I can drink during this time frame when I'm really trying to ease back into my healthy lifestyle is a bonus. So water, water, water. Plus, having more water during the day is gonna help me feel full, so I'm not gonna constantly be craving extra foods that I don't need. Typically, when I'm easing myself back into a healthy lifestyle and it's been a little bit of time from like a vacation, it takes me a good 3 to 4 days to fully get back on track. And then I know that at that point, I'm good, I'm on it again, I'm motivated, and I have the energy to really continue that process and to start more meal prepping, get back to the gym, and doing all of the things that I know are part of that healthy lifestyle. It also takes about that time to start getting back to my regular weight. If I have a cheat meal, I know that for the next day or two, I'm gonna be a little bit over my normal weight. And so I wanna make sure that I don't freak out because I made those choices. That's the consequence, and then I focus on the healthy eating and that weight comes back off. So I really try to have patience and remember this isn't gonna all happen immediately. I'm not gonna be able to just jump right back into everything. I have to allow myself a transition period. Also, keep in mind that one day of bad eating is not gonna ruin everything. Just like one good day of good eating is not gonna make everything perfect. It's about making good choices or bad choices over the course of time and how that adds up. Is it gonna be towards your goals or is it gonna be away from your goal? It's all just a part of the process of this journey. So definitely ease yourself back into this by using these strategies, and then check out my 7-day meal prep for weight loss video to get you fully back on track. And I'll see you in the next video.